59.
Yeah, and eventually it paid dividends for him. Is there something in the water in Argentina? Because
which is very unusual for him.
I mean, it's arguably, honestly, he's overachieved to be able to do what he's done and maybe catching up to him. Nice way to go out for him. Play that well.
Game, Draper.
Now you'd be happy with that.
Thank you.
First set safely achieved. Just 26 minutes. He takes it 6 games to 2.
By 6 games to 2.
Hope he's all right. That was a nasty moment.
Game, Draper.
And there it is. 3 breaks now.
Everything looking good for Draper, that's for sure. How about letting it bounce?
yeah.
There's the movement for you. So after just 3 minutes over the hour, we're into a third set.
6 games to 2.
6-2, 6-2.
These early rounds as efficiently as possible. He ran out of gas, dude. Tank was empty.
And then
Game, Draper.
relentless pressure from Jack Draper. There's the. It's the end of the match. The break was the final dagger in his heart, and obviously that injury when he fell has in the end proved crucial.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately due to injury, Baez has to retire. Game set match Draper 6-2.
You have to feel
6-2.
for Baez, feel for the crowd to a certain extent, but you say, John, they've seen an awful lot of tennis here on court number 1, but the star turn, it was only an hour and a quarter. Pity for Baez.